This is our Imarflex 8-in-1 health grill, which we bought on the onset of the quarantine period around April. Then we have been using this for how many months? And every time we would use this, we would have a hard time cleaning this one. After we cook, we would remove this one, clean it manually without water, without running water, because this is the one connected to the electric current. So better be safe than sorry. So before, we would usually use a washcloth with soap, no running water, because we are afraid that you might get electrocuted down here. So when we tried to remove this, saying that it has a quick release grill plate for easy cleaning. However, it would not budge. So that's what we do, cleaning it the hard way. Then we check, we turn it around. Then we found out that there was a clip here somewhere. This is where the socket was attached, and there was a clip. And then we tried to remove it after just how many months? Like today. Today is August. What's the date today? 29? Yeah. So we removed it using it was out of luck, I guess, or I was just hoping that it would work. So I removed it using a scissor, and this is what we got. It was here. This is what we got. I removed this end, and then pop, it goes. So when after that, voila! So we discovered that you just have to release the lock, this one, for the quick release function to work. And so let's say April, May, June, July, August, and this is what we found out down deep. So it's now time to wash this one. I am going to post this because I want to help other people who have bought this item who is having a hard time to clean up their indoor grill. I also found one YouTube video and they tried to remove, but to no avail. So I hope this helps. And that ends my review for this product. This is very good. We use this for our sanggipsal at home. However, this power seems loose and tends to turn on and off. So what I do, when we attach this one, I would put something under here so that it will not be loose, and it will continue in cooking. That's for now. It has a cover, and this one. Those are the functions. Thank you, Imarflex. Bye, everyone.